Well, it's late on Friday night. Tomorrow morning, I'm going to be going on a motorcycle tour with a company called Irea Moto Tours, and it's enduro motorcycles, and they do all kinds of tours. But this is just going to be a single ride, just me and the guide, and we're going to go up into the Blue Mountains from Kingston. Like I said, they're enduro bikes. It's going to be on unimproved roads. I had a motorcycle accident about 2 years ago, so I haven't been back on a bike since then. So I kind of wanted to go with a professional rider, tour guide, just so I can get my confidence back riding a bike. There's going to be food included, a lot of stops with food, a lot of stops with swimming. It's probably going to rain, so I'm bringing rain gear, which I was told to bring. All the gear is included except the rain gear. So yeah, today I got totally drenched walking home from work, so I suspect it's going to rain tomorrow as well. We're kind of heading into the rainy season from what I understand. But yeah, I'm kind of looking forward to this motorcycle ride. It's going to be fun. Like I said, get my confidence back in riding and check out the interior of Jamaica, the Blue Mountains. So let's go check it out.
Good thing you didn't go over.
I know, no. It's just really loose right there. It's just like, whoop.
Yeah, but just steer it, no problem.
Yeah.
Good thing you didn't go over there.